Welcome back to Right Now Trending TV News. At this time, before we get started, we kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more videos in the future. Now let's get started. Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you an update. I'm almost monetized on this channel. I'm just 200 subscribers away from reaching the magical milestone where I can finally monetize my YouTube channel with advertisers. It's been quite the journey since I launched the channel on June 11th, 2024. And I've been curious about how long it would take to reach monetization. And now I'm so close. So I need your help. I need everybody to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe right now, today, and get your friends. I thought it would take a lot longer. However, I'm pleasantly surprised. Now, this channel was started I think in 2011. However, the videos that I made were all private. So there was nothing public to be, looked at. So this channel was rejuvenated again on June 11th. Just 2 days ago, I was accepted into the YouTube membership partnership program. Now, this is a huge step because it means I can now offer channel memberships with different levels and perks for you all. Now, that usually comes with some type of subscription. That's something paid from your end. There are different types of membership programs you can enter, and I'm actually still trying to study that. So I'm just giving you an update as to what I just received in the mail. But here's the catch. I still need to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark before I can start earning money from ads on my videos. So I'm asking for everybody to please subscribe today. I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you who has subscribed to my channel so far. Your support means the world to me, and I'm genuinely grateful for all the encouragement along the way. I'm super excited to report on my progress as we get closer to hitting that 1,000 subscriber goal. So if you haven't already, again, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and help me reach that magical number. I want to do it together. Also, I am here to help any of you on your own journey because I know a lot of people are starting YouTube channels and, we need help. I need a lot of help. I've been studying different YouTube channels along the way. However, if there's anything that I can help anybody with, please ask me. And again, I still need help. So if there's any advice you can leave for me, please leave so in the comments. And again, I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's grow together. We're going to support each other and we're going to make this community even stronger. So again, thank you again. And let's make this thing happen. Toodles, guys.